So the topic we are reading today, my voice is clear to all of you? Yes?
Yeah.
What? Please be back quickly. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Kamil?
Yeah, I'm here.
Kamil?
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. I will stop all four of you after every paragraph and I will ask what I explained. Okay? So be careful. Stop if you are doing any other thing. Okay?
You
So
stop.
today's topic is very, very important. Okay? This is all about Nabi Isa alayhi salatu wassalam. We all know among all the prophets, Isa alayhi salam is still alive. They are somewhere up in the sky. He will come back and he will, because kullu nafsin zaiqatul maut. This is ayah, and the meaning of this ayah is that the creation, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if made anyone as a living creature, okay, that person has to be died. Okay, so because he didn't die, Allah took him up, so he has to come back and he will die his physical, death. Rarely in the side. Okay, who wants to read? Shamil?
Can I?
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, Very in the sight of Allah, the example of Isa is like that of Adam. He created him from dust and then said, "Be," and he was.
Actually, they are explaining that the Isa alayhi salam, because people normally ask question, if there is no father, how Isa alayhi salam, born. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is explaining in the Quran that Isa alayhi salam, in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creation of Isa alayhi salam is same as the creation of Adam alayhi salam. Because when Adam alayhi salam born, there was no mother, no father, right? He created him from dust and then said, kun. Kun means be, and the thing happened. Okay, and he was created. So for Isa alayhi salam, the same thing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did as he did with Adam alayhi salatu wassalam. Okay. Okay, next, who is next to read? Yes. Okay, I'm picking random. Okay.
Can I read?
Okay, Rania. But next paragraph I will read random. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Nabi Isa alayhi salam was born miraculously to Maryam radiallahu anha without a father, just as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Adam alayhi salam without a mother and a father. His miraculous birth led to the Christians to believe that he was either God or the Son of God. Nabi Isa alayhi salam is not the son of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but rather a human being who was a chosen messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, blessed with many mu'jizat.
Nabi Isa alayhi salam was born miraculously to Maryam alayhi salatu wassalam without a father. As I explained that Nabi Isa alayhi salam born, because normally there is a mother and father and then a child born, right? But in case of Isa alayhi salam, Maryam alayhi salatu wassalam was mother, but there was no father because Allah planned this way for Isa alayhi salam. Okay, Allah how created Adam alayhi salam, in the same way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Isa alayhi salam. The only difference is in Adam alayhi salam, mother and father both were absent when Allah created Adam alayhi salam. In case of Isa alayhi salam, only father was absent, mother was there. Okay, so this is the first Aqidah, okay, belief, which should be very clear in the mind. Okay, number two, his miraculous birth led the Christians to believe, because what happened, the people who were around, what happened, because when Maryam alayhi salam didn't marry anyone, Maryam alayhi salam didn't spend time with anyone, and the child born, so they start thinking that this child is basically not a human, this child is a son of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and basically he came from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so there must be a father, because the limitation of their mind. The mind was thinking so limited, right? So they start thinking that Isa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam is sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So there must be uh, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala must be the son, must be the father of Isa alayhi salatu salam. That is their belief, okay? And they were thinking that, or if this theory or this concept is wrong, then they bring another concept. If he is not a son of Allah, then he must be a god. And the God without father, born or came, because he didn't born, he came, right? So they were justifying these two beliefs, okay? Either he is a god or the son of God. Nabi Isa alayhi salam, according to Muslims, okay, Nabi Isa alayhi salatu was salam is not the son of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, this vision is very, very clear to all of us. That Nabi Isa alayhi salam is the is not the son of Allah, okay, but rather a human being. He was a human being, and Allah chose him as a messenger and blessed with so many mu'jizat. Now you know that a prophecy or a prophethood or a person become prophet when Allah chose that person to be a prophet. Okay, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he was a human being. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose him to be a prophet, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala once decide he will be a prophet, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala assigned so many mu'jizat. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed him so many mu'jizat. Okay, so just keep this in mind. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next. Okay, so first explain me what concept you understand about Isa alayhi salam. Quickly, I'll pick random. Okay, Rahim.
The people he was sent to tried to rejected him and tried to kill him.
Huh?
The people that he was sent to decided to reject him and then try to murder him.
Rahim, you are not listening. I didn't reach to that point.
Oh,
I
the
said
above.
what I explained, just explain the same thing to me.
Oh, so he was born to Hazrat Maryam without a father, and then and the difference was that Hazrat Adam was born, and there wasn't a father or a mother. So
And
the Christians thought that if he's not the son of God, then he's like God himself. Wrong.
okay, be careful next time. Listen each and everything very carefully. Okay, and especially you, Rahim, and sorry, Shamil and Kamil. Okay, I will pick randomly anywhere. Okay, in the middle. Nabi Isa alayhi salatu wasalam was sent as a messenger to Bani Israel. The people, the nation, is the name of the nation was Bani Israel. I have told the entire whole story before, like Hannah was the mother of Maryam alayhi salatu wasalam. She was expecting, she was thinking that I will be having a baby boy, and then I will send the baby boy to the masjid to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But what happened? Maryam alayhi salatu wasalam born, and she was thinking, oh, now a girl born, so how I will, fulfill my wish. Angels just told her that Allah knows what He created and what He planned, and then there was one more thing I explained, that Maryam alayhi salatu was salam, when born, the father passed away, and there was a confusion who will take care for Maryam alayhi salatu was salam. So they draw, and the name of Zakaria alayhi salatu was salam came in that draw, that he will look after Maryam alayhi salatu was salam. Just give me a second, I'm coming back. Okay, just give me a second.